If you're trying to see where an X Twitter account was originally created but don't know how, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to check the origin country of any profile. Just follow along carefully. First, open the X app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to the profile you want to check. For this tutorial, I'll use Elon Musk's account as an example, but you can use this method for any profile you choose. Now, here's the important part. On the profile page, look for the join date. It's usually displayed right under the bio section. Go ahead and tap on that join date. Once you tap it, X will take you to a new page that shows detailed information about the account. This includes the country where the account was originally created, which is the new feature X recently added. This lets you see the true origin country, even if the person now lives somewhere else. Take a look at the information shown. You'll see the creation country right there. This works for celebrities, brands, and even regular user accounts. And that's all you need to do. It's super quick and really useful for checking the authenticity of accounts or just satisfying your curiosity. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.